Can I stop you for 1 second? What's your name? I'm Pablo.
Nice to meet you.
You're really pretty.
Thank you.
Can I get your number?
Oh yeah, sure.
All right. What is it?
916.
Oh my God.
You okay? You okay?
What's up?
Hi.
Hi. I'm Pablo. What's your name?
Tim.
Oh. You're cute, so I came over here.
Oh.
Oh sh.
Yeah, we're kind of just trying to do a paper.
Can I get your number?
I'm sorry, no.
I have no friends at this school, man. You guys want to like hang out? What do you guys say?
So I'm in A5.
So, what are you guys doing there? Whoa!
It's basically like community service.
Community service?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Nice meeting you. What's your name?
I'm Nick, man. What's your name?
Pablo.
Sam.
All right. Bye. I'm Pablo.
Hi. Yeah.
I thought you were really pretty, so I wanted to come get your number.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, do I know you? Like,
Well, not at all. I'm sorry about that,
it's
but
okay. Do you come here?
yeah.
Oh, really? I mean,
But I was just talking about like meeting you and
Mhm.
getting to know you. That's what I
Okay.
meant.
Okay.
All right.
Do you want my number? Okay. It's 213.
213.
297. Wait, where did you see me? I didn't see you. I'm sorry. You okay? I don't know. Okay.
So no party or what?
I don't party.
Hey. So. Damn, no party, huh?
Sorry, Pablo.
Okay. Where's a good frat to join?
I don't know.
I really can't.
Honestly, I'm not a frat guy, but
I don't know any of the frats.
I can ask my friend.
Delta Chi.
TKE.
Yeah.
One of my friend, that's what he's in.
Okay.
He's trying to like get me into it or whatever.
Yeah.
Are you new here or something?
Yeah.
Freshman?
Yes.
Name?
I don't want to.
Are you investigating?
Yeah, it's a good name. No, it's like.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
See ya.
Sorry, but do you guys know any frats I could join around here?
There's TKE, Alpha Phi, Sigma Sigma, and that's sorority. But TKE is probably one of the bigger.
But now, which one's the best one?
I have no idea.
School.
I don't know if they're open.
They're open? All right. Well, for future reference, what do you say? What's the best place?
I don't know. I don't really read too much.
Yeah, it's right there. Right one.
So you know?
No, I don't know. I gotta go somewhere. Is this something?
I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh, you guys out?
It was a prank
Okay.
video. I'm so sorry.
This guy is fucking trolling.
And you guys were on camera for that. It's just, it's supposed to be just awkward like that. So, where I conversate with you and out of nowhere I go, or whatever. Totally messed it up with like a weird noise like that.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah. experiments.
Someone recording.
He's right there. Yeah. I'm sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, I've seen those videos.
Yeah. Is it cool if you're on it, bro? I'm just doing it to random people.
It's cool.
Really? Sure, dude.
What's your name, by the way?
Pablo.
Okay. So you got a name.
All right,
So you go
guys.
to East Bay, right?
No, I don't. Yeah, dude. So it's cool.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.